Hey guys, Nick Joseph, welcome to Code Red Defense. Today we're going to be looking at how to transition from blocking to striking. The reality is that you could only block so many punches. You could only trap for so long. You could only slip for so long. You gotta, every time, you gotta go preemptive. If you can, you go preemptive, but if he throws the punch, as soon as he throws it, you need to strike immediately. I don't want to get into a wrestling match with him. If he's bigger and stronger, you're going to get fucking hit. So which means if I'm here and go with a shot, he goes with a shot and I block and I'm here, come over here so we can. So if I'm here right away, I got to strike, okay? I elbow, headbutt, knee. Let's say he does something else, do anything else. So he grabs me. How can I strike from here? Can I headbutt? Can I elbow up? Can I knee low? Can I come around? So every time you block, you need to strike. And don't wait for him to strike and you block, but I mean once I block, you want to go in directly with your strikes as quickly as possible. Now, let's say he goes for an attack, he does this, and I'm here. I'm like, give me more energy. So let's say he's here, I slip underneath, I'm here, what can I attack him with? I can come over here, I can go into the eyes, I can pop the throat, I can even use my knee, just here to play with his balance and move, and from there, this is when I would go into the face, or I would crush the nose. Again, if I had, let's say there was a car here, there was a wall, boom, I'd grab his head and slam it down. So every time you block and you move, work on that strike. Like I said, you can only block and slip so many punches. So when you train, what I do is a lot of times I'll block and strike. Even when I do it on the bag or the bob dummy, I'll simulate a block and then I'll work on that counter strike as quickly as possible. But what I do is when I block and I strike, I continue right away with my strikes as quickly as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. We have a great set of videos just for you guys. I'll put the link in the description box. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.